Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my elders are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video, so guys, the wait is over. Today I am sharing with you beautiful crochet scarf free ideas, beautiful shawl, different type of shawls, so please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern and different designing. Some are light color uses, some are dark color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, different designing, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Very nice, beautiful. Some are grand square pattern, some are simple and some are so beautiful, stylish, different color contrast. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel and like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. Very nice. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work, beautiful dresses, different ideas about crochet. Mostly girls like beautiful crochet dresses and like wearing crochet dresses, and you can carry this carry this beautiful scarf with your any dresses, beautiful shawls with beautiful dresses. Follow my channel, like and share my video. Good mint section. Press the bell icon.